Hi everyone, this is me, Mohammed Saad, and today we are going to practice some sun salutations together. Just grab a mat, find a comfortable place for yourself, and whenever you're ready, let's crack on. You'll keep your feet together, tailbone slightly tucked in, shoulders rolled back, and chin back as well, so that you're standing in an upright position. Number one is prayer position, so you extend your arms up with an inhalation. With an exhalation, you move your palms in front of your chest. Number two is you extend your arms up, engage your glutes, bend back. Number three is an exhalation, a full forward fold position. There's always an option to keep the knees bent if you feel like. So you take a breath in, step your right leg back, coming into Anjaneyasana. Press the knee down, press the hips down into the mat, look up. With an exhalation, you step your left leg back, press your palms into the floor, lifting the hips towards the sky. Then again, an option to keep the knees bent if you want to. You hold your breath and you place the knees down, you place the chest and chin in between the palms, elbows towards the body. Inhale, come up into Cobra. Be very conscious that you're going to keep your shoulders rolled back and down. Use your back muscles, keep your glutes engaged, zip together. Inhale. With an exhalation, you move back into a mountain pose once again. You step your right foot forward into posture number 9. Keep that back knee down, Anjaneyasana. And stepping the left foot forward with an exhalation into posture number 10. Number 11, you inhale, extend your arms up, bend back. And number 12, you finish it off on prayer position again with an exhalation. Inhale, extend your arms. With an exhalation, release, relax. Be free to like, comment, share, and thank you so much.